In this video, we can talk about top 5 Leawo Photolns alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel, your go-to destination for exploring the best alternatives to popular software. Today, we have an exciting lineup for you as we delve into the world of photo editing and present you with amazing alternatives to Leawo Photolns, a fantastic photo editing tool with intuitive interface and versatile features. But what if we told you there are even more powerful alternatives out there? That's right. We've scoured the web to bring you top 5 alternatives to Leawo Photolns, which are Pixlr, Picwish, Vance Ai, Let's Enhance.io, and Auto Enhance AI. Get ready to supercharge your photo editing game and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Let's begin. Our first alternative is Pixlr. Pixlr is a robust online photo editing tool that caters to both beginners and professionals and is used for enhancing images, retouching, and applying various creative effects. It comes with features like AI image generator, background remover, art generator, and object remover. The AI-powered tools of Pixlr intelligently enhance images, improving their quality and appearance. And one of the standout features of Pixlr is its vast collection of overlays, borders, and stickers, providing you with an extensive creative resource to make your photos stand out. Next up, we have Picwish. Picwish is an innovative image editing application designed for smartphone users and aims to bring professional-level photo editing capabilities to mobile devices. It offers great features like JPG conversion, realistic photo edition, and image compression. Picwish also boasts an array of powerful editing tools, such as curves adjustment, selective color editing, and blending modes. One of its standout features is its well-designed and intuitive user interface, making it easy for even novice users to explore and utilize its powerful editing tools effectively. Third on our list is Vance Ai. Vance Ai is an AI-driven photo enhancer that uses cutting-edge technology to automatically improve image quality. It offers features like AI background remover, AI photo restoration, and AI photo dehaze. Whether it's old or low-resolution photos, Vance can breathe new life into them by reducing noise, enhancing colors, and sharpening details. The standout feature of Vance is its ability to perform automatic, high-quality image enhancement, eliminating the need for manual adjustments while producing exceptional results. Moving on, we have Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance.io is an AI-powered image enhancement platform that excels in upscaling images without sacrificing quality. It comes with exciting features like image tone enhancer, image color enhancer, and color corrector. Whether you are a photographer, designer, or anyone who needs to enhance your images, you can do it with Let's Enhance.io. And one of the standout features of Let's Enhance.io is its customizable enhancement options to let you adjust enhancement settings according to your preferences, providing a personalized editing experience. Last but certainly not least, we have Auto Enhance.ai. Auto Enhance.ai is a user-friendly online photo editing tool designed to streamline the enhancement process. It offers exclusive features like sky color correction, image relighting, and perspective correction. As its name suggests, it offers automatic adjustments for quick and straightforward image improvements. One of the standout features of Auto Enhance is its ability to provide instant enhancements with just a single click, making it ideal for users seeking hassle-free and time-saving editing solutions. Compared to Leawo Photolns, Pixlr stands out in its accessibility, as it is an online tool that can be accessed from any device without the need for installation. Picwish comes with the ability of seamless integration with social media that simplifies the process of showcasing edited images. Vance Ai can effortlessly revitalize old and low-resolution images, preserving cherished memories with remarkable precision. Let's Enhance.io excels in its seamless integration into existing workflows, catering to professional users who require an efficient enhancement solution. And Auto Enhance's main advantage over Leawo Photolns lies in its simplicity and one-click enhancement capabilities. After exploring each of these AI platforms and going through their features, we would recommend Vance as the best alternative to Leawo Photolns. Its cutting-edge AI-driven image restoration and upscaling capabilities give it a unique edge, ensuring that you can effortlessly revitalize old and low-resolution images with exceptional precision. The batch processing feature also saves valuable time when working on multiple photos, making Vance a powerful and efficient choice for enhancing images with unparalleled results. There you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed exploring these fantastic alternatives to Pixlr. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.